And here in the house this morning, I find all around me the best breakfast possible. Check this out. Check this out. We've got crowberries. Plenty of them. Crowberries. Superfood. Superfood. Wow. It's only the 18th of July, and the amount of berries on earth, the amount of harvest is quite unexplainable. It is everywhere. She is abundant. There is no end, it seems, of nourishment to be had. So, here's breakfast. Thank you. Thank you, Mama. This right here, I'm told, is the best ever water to drink. So I'm just gonna sip it. Dewdrops. Dewdrops.
Pearls! Iceland pearls! Elfish, giant dish, crystal pure, extreme beauty! Mwah!